Hello my dears, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dinesh Education Series. So my dears, some important general knowledge. The first one is, which is the national animal of India? Which is the national animal of India? Answer: tiger. Tiger. What is the currency of India? What is the currency of India? Answer: Indian rupee. Indian rupee. Which language mainly spoken in India? Which language is mainly spoken in India? Answer: Hindi. Hindi. Who was the father of nation? Who was the father of nation? Answer: Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. Third years, do support and like, share, subscribe. Question: which is the national port of India? Which is the national port of India? Comment me and answer. Question: which city is now as the pink city of India? Which city is now as the pink city of India? Answer: Jaipur. Jaipur. Question: which city is the smallest state of India? Which city is the smallest state of India? Answer: Goa. Goa. Question: what is the name of India national anthem? What is the name of the India national anthem? Answer: Jana Gana Mana. Jana Gana Mana. Question: who was the first vice president of India? Who was the first vice president of India? Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishna. Do support me and like, share, subscribe. So, thanks for watching.